How to animate a sprite in Scratch? First, select a background and then select a sprite. I am selecting Penguin 2. Afterwards, select when flag clicked. Now go to looks and take say hello. Now go to costumes and look, there are 4 costumes of penguin, like penguin A, penguin B, penguin C and penguin D. In the code path, select switch costume to penguin 2A. Select wait 1 second. This process will repeat 3 times. Again, switch costume to penguin B. Wait 1 second. And then switch costume to penguin 2B. Select a sound chip and then fan flag clicked. Now test it. For more videos, keep watching to my channel.